why should a small lending company like yourself, like Do Finance, choose to invest in a digital lending platform like TurnKey Lender? What has been the value proposition that you found there?
Okay, so just a bit of a background. So our company concept was conceived in late 2019 by a small team. So our business model was very simple: just lend in the beauty space. We thought, hey, all we need to really do is to check a credit profile, ask for a void check, pay stubs, and just use my experience in the private label credit cards to underwrite, and from there make a loan decision. Can't be that hard to do data entry on an Excel sheet, which we all know is not true. So as we progress into really how we like to position ourselves in the industry, we look at the overall dynamics in the lending market, and we realized one thing, and that was really obvious already at that time, wherein fintech is winning. There's no way we can even compete at their level, not even with the old school lenders in our niche, with a simple basic credit report and our Microsoft Excel. So that's when we've really decided to invest on a digital lending platform like TurnKey. The value proposition for digitization in lending are vast. That omni-channel platform really results to a much more efficient and effective experience for ourselves, with the ease of the processing of our loans, and of course for our borrowers and merchants. I mean, in this platform, you simply tweak your underwriting criteria with a toggle switch, and all the other tools need to do your adjudication, including credit bureau, bank verification, integration of their bank accounts. They're all in one platform. So for someone like me who isn't very fluent in the tech side of things, it was very important for me to partner with a company who was willing to guide us from day one. So TurnKey, they're doing that. They're doing all of that for our young company. They taught us the technology aspects in lending, introducing us to the world of the Flinks and the Zoom rails, and what vendors to use to engage the clients completely online.
That's fantastic. As a sales executive for TurnKey Lender, I get a lot of clients that are in any stage of business, right? We get startups, we get people that have had some success and want to scale, and then we get these large enterprises. And you're right, the fintech space is very hot right now, and is providing what we could argue is a unique perspective on customer experience, right? I always advise people, and you probably did this yourself, you've had this experience where you came up with the concept, right? You conceived it, you launched it in 2019, you were like, we're going to take over the world. You built out these clients, you built out these best practices, and then you were like, wow, this manual lending it's there, but it's very, very tedious. Yes. So I would argue that in your partnership with TurnKey Lender, you were able to see scalability, being able to broaden your reach and expand the amount of business you were able to do in a short period of time. Is that a safe assumption?
Yeah, absolutely. And the short answer is as to why we invested on this technology is really survival. The trend is going towards that direction. It's going to stay there longer, and it's only going to continue to become even more advanced than what it is today. For us, we officially started our full operations in the fall of 2020. Well, there's a couple of months of implementation of this product. And fast forward to now, Do Finance has partnered with over 30 SMBs across Ontario, and we're only growing. So, and I'm proud to say our loan is minuscule compared to, everybody here in the audience, but we've got 100% repayment on our loans. And I think a lot of distraction have stemmed from the smart decision to involve technology and AI in our business model from the get-go.